Hey everyone, questions come in about how to change the fib background and colors. So I'm just going to put a random fib on here, right? Then you click on this top line, then go to settings, okay, that little settings tab. Then all these colors come up. Now, I'm just going to get the 61.8% fib, this one here for an example, for this purpose. Click it. Now, this here does the background and this here does the lines of it. So for example, I'm going to change the background of the 61.8% fib to black. It's not going to look good, is it? But let's do it so I can show. There you go, it's turned black, all right? Now, that looks awful. Let's turn it back, all right? I'm just going to go to red. Sorry, I'm going to get this here and just going to turn it pink, all right? Now it's pink, okay? Now, instead, you want to change all the lines and colors of everything else. You go in and you click this top one. Let's change it blue, all right? And you click it and you can see it's turned blue, all right? Just the lines of it. That is how you change a background. It all depends, of course, if you're using dark view or not, on how it looks. And it's figly, you know, if there's a lot of different colors here to get it the way you want it, you've got to play around with it a bit. But it works if you get in there, mess around with the settings tab here, pick whatever fib level you'd like, play around with it, have some fun with it. Any questions, never hesitate to email us, support@protrader.com.au.